Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren
and I'm Maureen.
Yeah, so thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch our episodes. We really appreciate your support. Then don't think we take it for granted.
Yeah.
So today we are going to be talking about a video we shot recently and uploaded, a video about Jamaica and Trinidad.
Yes.
Yeah, and it has caused quite let me say I've been enlightened a lot. My eyes has been they've been opened, you know. Right. So a lot of you have really been loving our series on Jamaica, and we thank and appreciate you. We get to know your feedback and read about your feedback on the comment section.
Most of you also request for us to do other episodes related to Jamaica and other Caribbean islands.
Yeah, so if there's a request you put forward and we've not done it yet, just know we've written it down somewhere and we'll be bringing them. We are working on it.
Right. So if you've noticed, we've been linking down our PayPal donations account in most of our videos that we've been doing recently, and that is because we've recently opened a PayPal donation account. Yeah, so in this PayPal donation account, it is not a must for anyone to donate. You only donate if you feel like you want to give us something,
right?
And it is not a must.
I think
guys.
It's quite clear in every video that we do. We don't even mention it because we are not forcing anybody to donate.
Right.
That the meaning of the word donate is for you to give out of your free will, right? Out of your free heart. So we've not forced anyone to donate. So but I understand that this has not settled in with a few. I wouldn't even put them into percentage because it's just
less than 1%. One or two people who've mentioned issue with us linking our PayPal donation account to our YouTube episodes,
and we felt that we needed to address this. So I'm just going to read a comment from a user here. I don't know if he's a subscriber or if he just commented after he came across our video and went after that. I don't know, but I'm going to read what he said. This video is all about earning money through PayPal at any expense. He goes further to say they should have never made such a vlog. Okay, so I think I'm going to address this user. So he's alluding that we're only making these videos because it's all about money. Brother, this is not the case. You know, when Africans,
if you actually take your time to go through all of our Jamaican series and you go through the comment section, actually people are getting to learn so much about Jamaica and the Caribbeans through our comment sections. And even we have said in our previous episodes that some of our misconceptions that we had about Jamaica and the Caribbean in general, they've been cleared up because of the episodes that we've been currently doing. Yeah. And another thing that he said, that we vlogged about an illegal Jamaican living in Trinidad. I think he's confusing us with another YouTube creator, because as you see us, our number one day one fans who really truly know us, we are from Kenya. We've never left Kenya, and this is where we create our content from. And we usually do Jamaican content so that Jamaicans can see themselves through the lens of a Kenyan person.
Right. And also what I want to make clear is that we are still a small channel, as you've seen. One thing I'm going to try and explain to anyone who's watching this vlog,
especially those people who are not YouTubers, so they don't understand what YouTubers do to survive, to earn a living, especially full-time YouTubers.
Exactly. YouTube is what we do full time, you understand? So we're not getting a lot of money. So for us to link our PayPal donation account there is because for anyone who feels like donating something small to our cause, this money helps us to get from point A to point B to create content. So we don't force people to do that. But the problem now comes in because I don't know if it's because we are coming from Africa.
So this person,
we are being called beggars for linking our PayPal donation. We're being called beggars. We're being cast out. We're being told harsh words. And if you look at it, it's not even small YouTubers doing this. There are big YouTubers who link their PayPal accounts and ask for donations. But I've
never seen these big YouTubers being called out for linking their PayPal donation accounts to their YouTube channels. You know, so it's really quite unfair for someone to sit in his or her house back in wherever continent you're coming from and call an African YouTuber a beggar because they decided to link a PayPal donation account, and they didn't come inside your house to force you to remove money from your own pocket to finance their YouTube life.
Yeah,
You
that
get
is
what I'm
just
saying?
that is just for those who are willing to donate, and
For
we
those
really
who are
appreciate
willing to
our fans
donate.
because even if you're not able to donate to our PayPal account, you know, we know through the support you're giving us, watching our videos alone, that is massive support enough that really we appreciate you for, you know.
Right, because I know of so many creators from America who have done the same with their PayPal account,
But
and
they're
this
not being called beggars for
they're
it,
not
you
being
know.
called beggars for it. So for this person to call us beggars because of doing the same, I really don't understand. I'm trying to understand where his mind or ideology was coming from when he did that. I don't know if it's because we are a small channel. I don't know if it's because we
Yeah,
come from
Africans,
Africa.
I really don't understand.
His connotation with Africa is just related to beggars and begging, you know.
And he's not the first one. There are two people who've told us this, and we thought we had to talk about it, you know. And I said I won't be shamed into, you know, going into a corner and deeming myself
because two people think that it's wrong to link your PayPal account your PayPal donation account to your YouTube channel.
Yeah, at the end of the day, we do it out of passion, and if you can make money out of it, out
it
of
helps
your
us to
passion,
survive as YouTubers.
Yeah.
Because also you guys doing different in different careers, you won't just go to a job and sit there even if it is out of passion without getting paid. How are you going to pay your rent? How are you going to eat? How are you going to survive in general?
Yeah.
So
I'm
bottom
going-
line for me is this dude should respect everybody's work.
Yeah, and if you feel like you don't want to donate to people, nobody asked you to donate.
Exactly.
You can just watch your video, contribute to it, your own views without calling someone out of their name or bringing a negative
connotation to it, because I'm sure if you didn't find value in this video, somebody
people
else did find value in the videos that we create.
Yeah, so I'm going to read a few other comments of Jamaicans, and this really is the reason why we keep on doing what we do, and it really is encouraging, because when you hear someone talk like this, you know that you're bringing value to somebody. That is what we aim to do, to bring value to our audience.
Right.
So I'll just quickly read Delroy Brown. This is a comment from him. He's a Jamaican.
Shout out Delroy Brown.
Yeah, and thank you, brother. I'm a real born Jamaican man sitting in my living room right now. Watch your video. Right now, this makes me feeling super joyful to see and hearing this. Anyway, we are all brothers and sisters separated in two different countries. I want you all read and search the history about Jamaicans, become Jamaican, our roots, and where did they come from to become Jamaicans. Then you will surprised to know that you are talking about your relative. Check the history 400 years ago, but your videos make me, you know. So I'm happy. Delroy says our videos make him feel super joyful.
He is in Jamaica right now, and he's watching us from his living room, and he feels happy when we do interviews about Jamaica and the Caribbean, so that he can get to know what people in Africa have had or feel or think about them.
Yeah, there's another one, Leroy Richie. He's saying, I'm glad I saw this video. I'm glad you saw this video too, brother.
Right.
So there are people who really appreciate our
the
work.
videos that we do, and we really thank all of you for that.
Wilton McDonald says, hi twins, please educate the young Kenyan men and on your program not to use the word. There's a word one of our interviewees used. It's not a word used by all Jamaicans. So you see, much as we are creating videos about Jamaica, we are also educating Africans and other people outside the Caribbean. You understand? So through our videos, we aim to provide value.
Yeah, we educate and entertain at the same time.
Exactly.
So we aim to provide value. Yeah.
So I don't know, you guys, let us know what you think about this video, about this issue, you know. So we thank those ones who always come back to support us, and if you've not watched our other Jamaican series, you can just scroll down in our page and watch us. Thank you so much. But over and above, we really thank our audience who've been showing us massive support before, because if you go into our comment section, a lot of you are very positive, and I really love that about our audience, you know. Yeah, so I think we are gonna leave it at that. If you have anything else to contribute or say about this topic,
you
just
can
leave it
on
down.
the comment section. If we get time, and when we get time, we always read all your comments and we try to respond to every one of them,
right,
in due time.
Right. So thank you so much for watching this episode. Let's catch you on the next. Bye.